Hey guys, so I'm back with another video and it is a little makeup tutorial get ready with me type thing. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep on watching. So first I'm going in with this Watermelon Face Milk by the brand Fourth Ray Beauty. And I don't really know why I chose to do like one drop at a time on each section of my face, but apparently that's what we're doing, so I'm just blending it in with my hands. Next, I'm filling in my brows using a mix of the Anastasia brow pencil and the Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof brow pencil, as well as a Benefit brow gel. For foundation, I'm using this Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and I'm just putting that all over my face and then blending it in. Then I'm going in with the e.l.f. concealer, camo concealer, which I absolutely love, and I'm setting it with the Jeffree Star loose powder, which, by the way, smells like cotton candy, and it is so freaking good. For my eyes, I'm using the yellow ColourPop palette, and it's a really simple look that I'm doing. I'm just taking a few of the yellow shades, blending them in the crease, and then putting one of the shimmery shades on my lid. I also used the orange shade in the Jawbreaker palette to deepen up my crease a little bit, because I felt like there wasn't a shade in the ColourPop one that kind of did what I wanted for this look. And now you can just see that I'm putting the shimmery shade on my lid. And then contouring my face with the NYX blush in taupe, like always. For blush, I used this beautiful peach blush by Makeup Revolution, or I Heart Revolution, but it's the same company, so yeah. As you guys know, I like to set my face before putting on highlighter, so that is what I'm doing right now. And for today, I'm using the Lunar Beauty highlighter, and I believe the shade that I used was Medusa, I think. And then for mascara, I use the Maneater mascara for my lashes. I would have used falsies if it wasn't like 10 o'clock at night when I filmed this. And then using the Jeffree Star new Strawberry Crush lipstick. I don't know, I'll put the name on the screen, but that's what I used for my lips. So this is the final look. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!